I'm Lola Luz Bininda, and I would like to share with you stories and history of Luzon. The name Luzon is derived from the Tagalog word lusong, a large wooden mortar used in husking rice. Luzon is the largest and most populous island in the Philippines, which has 8 regions, namely Region 1, Ilocos Region, Region 2, Cagayan Valley, Region 3, Central Luzon, Region 4A, Calabarzon, Mimaropa Region, Region 5, Bicol Region, Cordillera Administrative Region or CAR, and the National Capital Region or NCR, where Manila, the nation's capital city, is located. Luzon is abundant for various crops, cuisine, food offerings, dishes, and delicacies such as mountain river cuisine. We have boneless bangus, biya, ayungin, tilapia, tawilis, and tinapa. For the ritual food offerings, there are pinikpikan, patag, pinuneg, kiniing na manok, pinaod, and tape. For rice dishes and rice cakes, we have bringhe, arroz caldo, patopat, tudol, tupig, inatata, puto, suman, kalamay, and kakanin. We also have pansit malabon, pansit buko, pansit habhab, batil patong, and pansit kabagan for pansit dishes. For cocoa spice delicacies, we have laing, pinangat, binataang labong, lubi-lubi, and kinunot na pagi. We also have buro, tinindeng, atsara, tuba, tapoy for fermented produce. And for meat dishes, we have pigar-pigar, kaleskesan, igado, lunis, longganisa, sisig, lechon, adobo, and pinuneg. Luzon is abundant for various local root crops such as rice, corn, coconut, garlic, onion, sugarcane, coffee, cacao, banana, and different fruit-bearing trees. One of the local dishes in Luzon that is originated in the Cordillera Administrative Region in the province of Benguet is kiniing. Kiniing is an Ibaloy word meaning smoked or sun-dried. Its indigenous ingredient is native chicken, and its health benefits are rich in protein, low fat, and it is good for the heart. The Cordillera adapts meat preservation, which is all part of the native delicacy. Whether it is kiniing, atag, or tinaday, they all come in pork, which is a necessity during gatherings. It is said that the kiniing is primarily added when cooking the traditional pinikpikan, native delicacy of the region, which is the secret to the flavorful soup. Such a process of preservation has been practiced by several villages in the Cordillera as a means of preserving the meat from butchered animals, making them last for many months, ready for the rainy season. Luzon is truly historical and has indeed a lot to offer. Join us as we travel to the largest island of the Philippine archipelago, Luzon.